What's up, everybody? Donruss Choice 5493. Let's hit a big Wemby here. To the dice we go. 8 times. 8 times. Your team's first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, we went 3 and 5, 8. We went 8 right here. The Chicago Bulls up top, the 76ers at the bottom. Eight times now in your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Josh Measles up top, Greg Peace at the bottom. Donruss Choice 5493. We are full. Good luck. Again, these are all coming out of the same case. We haven't hit a black gold out of here yet. Black golds are numbered anywhere from 99 to 1. Have not hit one yet. At least I haven't. Spence opened a few of these yesterday. We have hit gold now because I can see a gold. For the Lakers on the gold, 6 out of 10, Max Christie. Lake Show and John Sotile. We need Wemby in that card. That'd be sick. On the red, 53 out of 99. Shai Gilgeous Alexander. Just speaking of black golden, we just hit one. Spoke it into existence. OKC here for Greg Peace. Going to Kyle Lent, the Phoenix Suns. Black gold, 5 out of 8. Again, it is extremely hard to see the numbering. There we go. 5 out of 8, Kevin Durant. On the black gold. Bryce Sensabaugh for Utah on the rookie. Muhammad G. Gaye, however you spell his name. Leonard Miller. Not sure how you say his name. Rookie of Marquise Noel for the Raptors. Kobe Burfkin for the Atlanta Hawks. And Drew. Enter ink Kobe Brown for the Los Angeles Clippers on her first auto. Los Angeles Clippers and Michael Martin. Last card of the break, Chris Livingston for the Milwaukee Bucks on her other auto. The Milwaukee Bucks and Michael Martin. Recap again. Pretty good box there. Kobe Burfkin, Marquise Noel, Leonard Miller, Mohammed, Bryce Sensabaugh, Shai Gilgeous to 99, Max Christie, 6 out of 10 on the gold. Chris Livingston for the Bucks, Kobe Brown for the Clippers, and black gold, 5 out of 8. Kevin Durant. That is the break, guys. Appreciate the fill.